ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit and building wealth on the side? Today, we're diving into the lucrative world of side hustles, exploring opportunities that have the potential to make you rich. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or pursue your entrepreneurial aspirations, we'll uncover side hustles that can transform your financial future. Before we jump into the wealth-building strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and don't forget to claim your free financial ebook from Stealth Wealth Society, your guide to conquering debt, planning for retirement, and mastering financial freedom. Now, let's explore the exciting world of side hustles and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. Hustle number 1. The Creative Freelancer. Meet Emily, a vibrant artist whose canvas reflects not just her passion but also her path to prosperity. By transforming her love for painting into a bustling side hustle, Emily has curated a colorful journey of creativity and financial independence. Balancing her corporate job with her after-hours artistry, she meticulously crafts masterpieces that captivate hearts and wallets alike, showcasing them online and at local art hubs. Through her unwavering commitment and boundless imagination, Emily has not only cultivated a loyal following, but also a flourishing income stream. If you're inspired to start your own creative side hustle, platforms like Etsy or local art markets are great places to begin. Additionally, consider enrolling in online courses or workshops to hone your skills and learn new techniques from experienced artists. Hustle number 2. The Digital Entrepreneur. Meet Alex, a tech-savvy individual who embarked on a digital adventure by launching his own digital marketing agency. With a keen eye for trends and a knack for understanding algorithms, Alex identified a niche market and dove headfirst into the world of online advertising. What began as a side hustle soon blossomed into a full-fledged business, as Alex's innovative strategies and personalized approach attracted a steady stream of clients. As his reputation grew, so did his team and service offerings, expanding his reach and impact in the digital landscape. Today, his digital empire stands as a testament to the boundless opportunities available in the digital realm. If you're interested in starting your own digital journey, consider taking online courses or certifications in digital marketing from platforms like Coursera or HubSpot Academy to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. Hustle number 3. The E-commerce Maverick. Meet Sarah, an e-commerce enthusiast who launched her own online store selling handmade jewelry. With a passion for design and a keen eye for trends, Sarah creates unique pieces that resonate with her target audience. Her dedication to quality craftsmanship and personalized customer service sets her apart in a competitive market. Through strategic marketing initiatives and leveraging social media platforms, Sarah effectively reaches her ideal customers and builds a loyal following. As her business gains momentum, Sarah reinvests her profits into expanding her product line and enhancing her online presence. If you're interested in diving into the world of e-commerce, consider enrolling in e-commerce courses or joining online communities like Shopify Academy to learn the ins and outs of building and scaling an online store. Hustle number 4. The Rental Property Tycoon. Meet Michael, a savvy investor who embarked on a journey into the world of real estate as a side hustle. Recognizing the potential of rental properties, Michael strategically acquired homes in promising neighborhoods, leveraging the power of passive income and property appreciation. Through meticulous research and astute investment decisions, Michael's rental property portfolio expanded steadily over time, bolstering his financial security and laying the foundation for long-term wealth accumulation. As each property generates consistent rental income, Michael reinvests his profits into acquiring additional properties, compounding his returns and accelerating his path to financial freedom. Looking to start your own real estate journey? Explore platforms like Roofstock or LoopNet to find investment properties and begin building your rental portfolio today. Ready to take charge of your financial future? Join Stealth Wealth Society and gain access to our Financial Freedom Blueprint for young adults. This transformative course is your key to conquering debt, mastering budgeting, and making informed investment decisions that pave the way to financial independence. Don't let financial worries hold you back. Empower yourself and embark on your journey to lasting financial freedom today. Click the link in the description below to invest in yourself and unlock a brighter future. filled with financial abundance and security. Hustle number 5. The content creator. Meet Jessica, a creative content creator who transformed her love for photography into a thriving side hustle. With a keen eye for aesthetics and a passion for storytelling, Jessica shares her photography adventures and expertise with the world through her blog and social media platforms. By curating captivating content that resonates with her audience, Jessica has cultivated a dedicated community of followers and attracted partnerships with brands seeking exposure to her engaged audience. Through strategic monetization strategies such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and the sale of digital products like presets and online courses, Jessica has turned her passion into a profitable source of income. If you're interested in becoming a content creator, platforms like Udemy or Skillshare offer courses on photography, content creation, and digital marketing to help you get started on your journey. These stories showcase the diverse range of side hustles that can lead to financial success. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or digital nomad, there's a side hustle out there for you. By harnessing your passions and skills, you can create additional income streams that have the potential to make you rich. And there you have it, stealthies! Side hustles aren't just a way to earn extra cash, they're a pathway to financial freedom and fulfillment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and claim your free financial ebook from Stealth Wealth Society. Here's to turning your passion into profit and building wealth on your own terms.